Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will show you how to update the version from Ubuntu 20.04 to Ubuntu 20.10. So let's get started. So guys, here we can see that the version which I am using now is Ubuntu 20.04, and I will upgrade this version to Ubuntu 20.10. So to update the system, first I will open terminal and then we have to type few commands. So here are the commands, and also I will mention all the commands in the description of this video. So first command we will type is sudo apt-get update, and here it is asking for password, so just enter your system password. And the second command which we will type is sudo apt-get update. And the third command is sudo update manager. It will open the update manager of Ubuntu. So here you can see that now it is showing that the software on this computer is up to date. So we have to go to settings, and here we have to change to for any new version. So make sure that you select this option only, which is for any new version. Once it is done, click on close and then click on OK, and then again type the same command. And here you can see that our software is up to date, but it is showing that Ubuntu 20.10 is available, and if we want to update, then we can update this version. So to upgrade this version, I will click on this button. So here you can see that after clicking on update button, it has start downloading the new version of Ubuntu. So again I will click on update button, and here you can see that it has started downloading. So let us wait until the update is complete. So guys, here it is showing some details, and to start the update we have to click on this button, and here we have to just click on close. So here it has started downloading some important files, and I will be back to you once it is installed. So make sure that here you click on keep button, otherwise all your application will be deleted. So once the installation is completed, it will ask to restart our system. So here I will click on restart now button. So after my PC is started, it is showing me the login screen. So I will click on my name, and here I will enter my system password. And here we can see that now I have successfully logged in into my system. And if we will go to settings, then we will see that now we have Ubuntu 20.10 installed in our system. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, then you can comment below, and please subscribe for more amazing videos like this.